Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make videos with pictures and music on Instagram story. So first go to your Instagram app. Then on your page, click on the story at the left corner. Then you can choose a picture here, anything you want. But I will choose on the 3 pictures I want. Then I will choose on layout. Now to simply add music, just click on the third icon at the top. Now select music. And then select a music you want here. And now you have successfully created a video with picture and music on your story. If you're satisfied here, click on Done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.